Well, I'm going to have a little fun with this cake. Before I frost it, I'm going to make sure it gets in the cake, and it's going to be yum, yum, delicious. So I poked a couple holes in it, and now we are going to pour the frosting. I've microwaved it for 30 seconds, and we're just going to pour it out there like this. And it's so easy, and then we're going to just spread it around, and the cake's frosted. And no tearing the cake up by trying to get that hard frostiness to spread. So we're doing good there. And I want to show you. Check out this plate of okra. Ain't that pretty? I can't get enough. And the corn, oh, it's delicious. And the catfish is coming along. Get down, Charles Brown. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'll be on later.